If you've filed a 2290 with us before, then it's easy to file again. Log into your account and click here to pick up your trucks. Then just check the Include checkbox for the vehicles you want to file this year and start your return. That's going to put you on step 1 out of 6 total steps. All you need to do is fill in the blanks, just like your first grade homework. Company name and company type are pretty easy. The 5-digit numeric PIN here is just any 5-digit number that you make up. It doesn't have to match anything, and I usually use my zip code or 12345. Then we want the name of an officer and that officer's title here. So let's say John Smith, and his title will be owner. Now scrolling down here, your address information should be saved, and then there's just a couple of yes or no questions. Read them for yourself to be sure and call us with any questions, or you can always click on one of these circle question marks for more detail. New in 2017 is the state consent to disclose, along with the IRS consent to disclose. Please read this carefully and know that we encourage you to participate in both of these programs because the goal here is to lessen the struggle we all face at registration time. There's no wrong answer. Just read carefully, and if you want to participate, choose yes, and if you don't want to participate, choose no. Then, save and continue. Here on step 2, we're going to press this button to pull your vehicles from fleet. Then double check the tax year and the date. I could always add another truck down below if I wanted, but when I'm happy with my trucks, I'll just save and continue again. Step 3 is asking about suspended vehicles and any credits you need to claim. Just read carefully and be sure to answer each question and answer it correctly. For me, these are all no's, so that's pretty quick and easy. I'll just go ahead and save and continue. Now, the IRS wants to know how you're going to pay the taxes due. You can see in the running totals here at the top what your taxes are, so you just choose the option that's best for you. Bank account allows you to enter in the bank account and routing numbers of the account of your choice, and the U.S. Treasury will debit your account for the taxes due, usually within about 5 business days. Mail your check allows you to put a check or money order in the mail to the IRS with a voucher that describes who you are and what taxes you're paying. EFTPS is the Electronic Federal Tax Payment System. It's a .gov website, and we are not affiliated with them. So only use that if you already have an account with EFTPS. And remember, you'll have to schedule that payment once you're done with this 2290. Now, no matter what option you choose, you should still get your stamp Schedule 1 today. That's before taxes are paid. So just choose the option that you're most comfortable with. I'm going to choose mail a check because I like to have the cancel check as proof of payment. So I'll just double check both of these boxes, print this PDF, and put that in the mail when I'm finished. The address for mailing is down here on the bottom left corner. Next, I'll save and continue. So step 5 here is kind of your last chance to review, and you can do that in a couple of ways. Check out what's written here, or open and review these PDF documents. You can always use these gold buttons at the top to go back to a previous page if you spot a correction you need to make. Once you're happy with the details, you'll check both of these boxes. Under penalty of perjury, basically that everything is true and correct and complete, and consent to disclose, basically that you understand that we here at 2290 Tax are not the IRS. Now, this last part is kind of fun. We can fax or email a copy of your stamp Schedule 1 anywhere you like. You get one in your email automatically, so when we say extra, we are kind of thinking it's going to somebody else. It's easy for us to do, and we happily do it for free, but we gotta know if you want it first, and where we should send your stuff. So if you want extra copies, you click yes up here. Then there's a bunch of legal mumbo jumbo and instructions, which you should probably read. But basically, you're just going to tell us what 3 emails you want us to send your stamp Schedule 1 to, and what fax number you want us to send your Schedule 1 to. Then you'll check this box. If you don't want us to send any extra copies to other people, no worries, we don't have to. Just say no. And finally, we can also send you a text message when your stamp Schedule 1 is ready at the same time we send your email. All the standard text message rates apply, but again, we don't charge any extra for this service. If you don't want this, no worries, just leave it blank. It's just a free option for those who want it. And that's pretty much it. Hit approve and continue, enter your promo code and credit card information, and you're done. Within about 15 to 20 minutes, you ought to have your stamp Schedule 1.